Hey everyone, so for today's look, I'm gonna start by applying the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Toasted Almond all over my lid. I've been loving to use this one as a base for my eyeshadows lately. Next I'm gonna go in with Tempera from the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna apply this shade in the inner corners of my eyes and also onto my brow bone. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade Burnt Orange to define my crease and outer corners. So I'm just using a fluffy blending brush and I'm blending this into the crease and my outer corners. This is just like a simple transition shade because we're gonna go in with a darker color next. Next up, I'm gonna go in with the shade Sienna and apply mostly in the outer corners, but I'm also going to pull it into the crease a little bit. And since I like to make my eyes look bigger with eyeshadow, I'm just gonna pull it out slightly towards the outer corners, just to get that kind of elongated cat eye look. Now for my favorite part, this beautiful sequin glam glitter eyeshadow in the shade Gleam Girl by Marc Jacobs. This is by far the most beautiful eyeshadow I have ever seen, and I really wish you could see the sparkle of the eyeshadow, but it doesn't show up that well on camera, unfortunately. For this look, I'm going to create a nice black winged liner. I'm going to use the Inglot Gel Liner to create the wing, and then for the inner corners, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Flyliner because it's the only one that really stays in my inner corners. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara and a brand new pair of my favorite lashes from Feline Lashes in the style Russian Blue to complete the eye look. Then for the face, I'm going to use the Becca and Chrissy Teigen Glow Face Palette that I actually bought last Christmas. I'm using the blush and highlighter here on my cheeks. For lips, I am of course going to apply my favorite red lipstick, and that is the Stunna lip paint in the shade Unsensored by Fenty Beauty. And that is actually all for this look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!